Dusky leaf monkeys, also known as spectacled langurs or spectacled leaf monkeys, are a species of Old World monkeys belonging to the genus Trachypithecus. They are primarily found in Southeast Asia, inhabiting various types of forests, including tropical rainforests and mangrove forests. The conservation status of dusky leaf monkeys varies depending on the specific subspecies and their range. Some populations are listed as vulnerable or endangered due to habitat loss, fragmentation, and poaching for the pet trade. Conservation efforts are in place to protect their natural habitats and ensure their survival in the wild. Dusky leaf monkeys exhibit sexual dimorphism in their coloration. Males and females have different appearances. Males have striking coloration, with a jet black body and a distinctively light-colored or white spectacle around their eyes, which gives them their common name. On the other hand, females are more cryptically colored with a grayish-brown or olive coat and lack the prominent facial markings seen in males. Both genders have long, slender limbs and a prehensile tail, which helps them with climbing and moving through the trees. The size of dusky leaf monkeys can vary depending on the subspecies and the geographic location. On average, males are larger than females. Adult males typically measure around 50 to 60 centimeters in body length, and their tails add an additional 60 to 80 centimeters. Females are slightly smaller, with body lengths ranging from 45 to 50 centimeters and similar tail lengths. As for weight, adult dusky leaf monkeys can weigh between 5 to 10 kilograms. Dusky leaf monkeys are primarily arboreal, spending the majority of their time in trees. They are diurnal creatures, being most active during the daytime and resting or sleeping at night. These monkeys are highly social animals, typically living in multi-male, multi-female groups. Within these groups, there is a complex social structure, and individuals engage in various social behaviors, including grooming, playing, and communicating through vocalizations and body language. Dusky leaf monkeys use hooting calls for communication within their groups. These hoots are low-pitched, rhythmic sounds that are typically used to maintain group cohesion and signal locations to other members. They often produce chattering and chirping vocalizations, especially during playful interactions or when expressing excitement or interest. When they sense danger or perceive a potential threat, dusky leaf monkeys emit loud alarm calls. These calls serve to warn other members of the group about the presence of predators or other potential dangers. When feeling threatened or during aggressive encounters, dusky leaf monkeys may emit growls or snarls to express their displeasure or assert dominance. Young dusky leaf monkeys produce specific vocalizations to communicate with their mothers or signal distress when they need attention or protection. Mother dusky leaf monkeys and their offspring engage in soft vocal exchanges to strengthen the bond between them and maintain contact, especially when the young ones are still dependent on their mothers. During the breeding season, male dusky leaf monkeys may produce specific vocalizations to attract females and indicate their reproductive readiness. The lifespan of dusky leaf monkeys in the wild typically ranges from 20 to 25 years. However, some individuals have been known to live beyond 25 years under favorable conditions with minimal threats from predators, diseases, or human disturbances. In captivity, where they receive proper care and nutrition, dusky leaf monkeys can live even longer, with some individuals reaching up to 30 years of age or more. It's important to note that lifespan can vary depending on factors such as habitat quality, access to resources, and the absence of human-induced threats. Large raptors such as eagles and hawks are potential predators of dusky leaf monkeys. These birds have sharp talons and strong beaks, making them capable of preying on small to medium-sized primates. In certain areas where their habitats overlap, dusky leaf monkeys may face threats from large carnivores like leopards, tigers, and wild dogs. These predators are opportunistic and may target monkeys if given the chance. Some species of pythons and other large snakes are known to prey on smaller primates, including dusky leaf monkeys. Young or smaller individuals may be particularly vulnerable to snake predation. In some instances, monitor lizards, particularly the larger species, could be a threat to dusky leaf monkeys, especially young or vulnerable individuals. Leaves make up the bulk of the dusky leaf monkey's diet. They consume a wide variety of leaves from various tree species. Since leaves can be tough and difficult to digest, dusky leaf monkeys have specialized digestive adaptations, including a complex stomach chamber called a fermentation chamber or saxiform chamber. In this chamber, bacteria help break down the cellulose found in leaves, aiding in the digestion process. Along with leaves, dusky leaf monkeys also feed on young shoots and unripe fruits. These provide additional nutrients and may be more easily digestible compared to mature leaves. Dusky leaf monkeys occasionally consume flowers as part of their diet. Flowers can provide nectar and other nutrients. While seeds and nuts are not a major part of their diet, dusky leaf monkeys may consume them when available. They may feed on fruits containing seeds or occasionally eat nuts found in their environment. Dusky leaf monkeys have the capability to breed and reproduce throughout the year. Unlike species that have specific mating seasons, dusky leaf monkeys can conceive at any time, given favorable conditions. Dusky leaf monkeys typically live in multi-male, multi-female social groups. Within these groups, males compete for dominance, and dominant males usually have greater access to females for mating. However, females also have a say in mate choice, and they may prefer to mate with certain males. When a female comes into estrus, she signals her receptivity through various behaviors and vocalizations. Mating occurs during this period, and females can give birth to a single offspring after a gestation period of around 165 to 200 days. Female dusky leaf monkeys are primarily responsible for caring for their young. They carry and nurse the infants until they become more independent. The mother-infant bond is strong, and the infant relies on its mother for protection, nourishment, and socialization within the group. Dusky leaf monkeys have a relatively slow reproductive rate, with females typically giving birth to one offspring at a time. This slow reproductive rate is characteristic of many primates and helps ensure that the offspring receive sufficient care and resources to survive and thrive. Dusky leaf monkey infants are relatively helpless at birth, and they cling tightly to their mothers. As they grow older, they become more adventurous and gradually gain independence, although they may still stay close to their mothers for an extended period. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.